This video is sponsored by NGK and NTK, manufacturer of spark plugs, ignition coils, oxygen sensors, and technical sensors. Visit ngksparkplugs.com for more information.
I want you to put your hands together like this. Put more effort into one arm than the other, and notice the change in position to the center line of your chest. This is exactly how variable valve timing camshaft phasers work, but instead of biceps, it's oil pressure. A camshaft phaser uses oil pressure to move and hold the camshafts. If the chambers do not have the correct oil pressure or the vanes start to leak, the camshaft movement is uncontrolled. When this happens, you can get multiple DTCs ranging from P0011 to P0025. These indicate that the position of the oil control valve did not produce the expected result witnessed by the camshaft position sensor. In other words, the vanes and the chambers are not working as designed. The vanes could be leaking, the flow of oil to the phaser could be restricted. On high mileage phasers, one of the most common failures is the lock pin that secures the phaser when oil pressure is low, like during startup. When the pin fails or shears away, you could get a rattling during startup or at low idle. The other failure could be oil leaking past the vanes of the phaser. The vanes are typically spring-loaded, and in some cases they have nylon edges. These can wear out over time and allow oil to leak past the two sides of the vane and the other different sides of the chamber. When this happens, the phaser could start to make a rattling noise either during startup or at a very low idle, depending on the positions of the lobes of the camshafts and springs. The condition of the oil determines the lifespan of the phaser. Contaminated oil can clog the oil passages and cause wear to the vanes. If you replace a variable valve timing phaser, you should also change the oil. Changing the oil prevents further damage. Also, the viscosity of the oil is critical to the operation of the phaser. Before you start the repair, also check for TSBs. Many OEMs have information about the screens for the variable valve timing system that stay in place and protect the solenoid and also the phaser. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.